All right, this is what we're doing today. The FeiyuTech Pocket 2 and the FeiyuTech Pocket 2S. I chose both of them. These are going to be my BTS soldiers. Be part of my, behind the scenes documentation. And so let's unbox. Facebook app and YouTube. You can connect with them. This is quality control, I assume. And this is the manual. Quick start guide. This is the warranty card. All right, here's the items that really matters. It has a pouch, like a carrying pouch. Wow, this is really small. I did not imagine they would be this small. Okay, so this is what it comes in with a strap and this USB Type-C charger. And then this is the gimbal itself. No cover, it's just there. I'll expect some form of protection. This is really portable. It has a bottom 1/4 screw here for standing, and I'm going to just look for one right away. All right, so I found one from one of my devices, and let's screw this guy up. How do we charge? So we need to charge it first. Now let's get to the other one. Pouch, good, nice. All right, what's in here? There should be some more accessories. And once again, we need a stand. So let this guy go. This is what we have. Foam again. And let's open this box up. What is in here? Belt, strap, really? And okay, mounts, mounting options, belt, and more stickers for mounting. So we got pretty much better accessories here because this is for a different ball game. This is magnetic, interesting. We got the screw, yeah. So this one has no screw underneath, which is a little bit tacky. So now we get to know the difference, okay? While you can attach a stand on this one, you cannot on this one because it's supposed to be mounted differently, okay? This stand does not come with it, so note that. They should be the same picture quality. Difference is that this guy has some attachment that makes it detachable, so you could have the unit somewhere else. So now let's charge this guy. Turn the gimbal. Let's see if we can. What's the view we can get? So the good thing is, you see both of them? We can leave both of them right there. That's where the app will come in. So another good thing is that I can have the audio here. You see me waving my hand. Now apologies, the glasses are dirty. You can't get the best image now. The glass is dirty. But you get the message, you get the idea. I can have the device, you see this? It's in my hand. Although fairly long enough, I can talk in here and have the audio better. And also control, you know, I may want to move. Yep. View. In fact, it can get both me and the passenger this way. Okay. All right, now we're sitting in a car, and that's about the best audio we can get anywhere. It's sealed round. This is how you get the internal audio. I think there's no other option. I don't know of any other external audio solution that we can find yet, but the bottom line is this is what you get from internal recording, which makes this thing not 100% for vlogging. The picture is actually usable. My only issue with these two items, the 2S and the Pocket 2S and the Pocket 2, is the fragileness of their lenses. I think they are too fragile. Like, it's good if you could manage it, if you can be careful, put them back in their containers. When you're on location, you don't want to be extra careful. You really are trying to get things done. Because I got this, guys, for behind the scenes. When I don't have manpower to actually do it, then these guys can actually move around as much as possible. I know it's not 100, but it will get some things done before it loses me. And then of course I know I walk back into it again, check on it every now and then. But the fact that I have to be careful, and then, you know, when it does that gimbal locked situation, which I've battled with it twice already, you know, sometimes I'll pick it up and it will tell me gimbal locked. Then I have to you know, move it around, and of course I don't know what I'm doing, but, you know, turn it back on and then it's unlocked. Well, whatever happened, I don't have that time to be that careful.